Hey everybody, it's Liz here from Bits and Pieces Quilt Shop, and look who I ran into at H&H, my favorite person, Julie from Patchabilities. Little secret, we actually had dinner with her 2 nights in a row. We had a couple drinks at one bar one time, so we've got to spend a lot of time together, which is great because I don't get to see her that often. We talk on the phone, that kind of stuff. But I'm going to turn it over to Julie for a minute. She has amazing new products, which she's going to bring to you live in a couple weeks maybe. But I'll let you take it from here. Show them something. Oh my God, I need that. I need that.
You need Frank.
I need Frank.
Well, tell you what, I will first thank you for the intro, and yes, we've gotten to do a lot of extra bonding.
I know, it's been fun. It's been great.
Yep. So I know that your customers and your staff have been asking us for more piecing to go along with our fun applique. So, we created all you Bits and Pieces fans out there, an entire block of the month series with applique and piece borders around them. All of those are a 16-inch square. They'll fit marvelously on your 12-inch hangers, and you'll need to come to Liz because she's going to have some new 12-inch hangers. So you'll be able to do one fun project every month.
I know. Where do we start? Should we start in May? Should we start in June? July? August? I have to think about what month we're going to start it. But I know we're going to start with October.
Oh, is he sweet?
I think that's been our favorite one here at the show. That one we've sold out of the pattern.
You have to send them to me.
Look at the Santa.
I know. Look at that cool vintage Santa. Right?
Okay, what else do we have here, Julie?
So on this wall, by the way, our little catalog, y'all might get a kick out of that. I named it Everything's Brand Spanking New. Right? So on this wall is all the rest of our Brand Spanking News. We've got some really nice summer projects, and for all of you loving that overplaid fabric, we've got Hello Sunshine on that. We've got a totally pieced sunflower table runner for you. And then everybody is, of course, in love with Frank. He's Big Frank because there is a little Frank, and you guys have a little Frank.
We have little Frank.
Well too.
Yeah.
Look at the boo.
And the boo.
He's sweet.
And I think you're probably also going to fall in love with this.
I love those.
The pumpkin plate, these are placemats, or you could, I think they'd make nice little just runners sitting on a counter. But you want to know what the fun part is? Those are quilt as you go. So all of you out there who are freaked out by machine quilting on your sewing machine, you don't have to worry about it. That's just an easy quilt as you go pattern. So yeah, so we got a lot of new stuff. Liz is going to be coming home with lots of new.
I know, lots of new for you. And you can stay tuned because we're going to do another live with Julie and let her highlight all of her products once we get back and get settled. And you can see what else she might have in her little bag of tricks for us, like her new hanger.
I was just going to say, can I do this?
Do you want to do one more peek?
Yeah.
Yes.
Karina, step over on this side. So listen, you guys, we worked really hard to come up with more new hangers. Everything on this board is so new that these are prototypes. I think that one is going to look awesome on your big Franks. But look at that. You can do one for any season that you wish.
Nice. Okay, I'm going to go this way.
Go that way. You can see all the rest. And as you already know, our hangers have that nice split in them. And they all...
Oh. Sorry. Sorry.
Okay, resuming.
Yes.
Yeah, so these are some more of our brand new ones, the Cute V and the Ladybug.
Look at that one. That's huge.
So for all of you that may have bought our big giant pumpkin or the rooster, I know you guys did some of the rooster and wanted to know how you were going to hang those. We did come out with this 22-inch wide hanger.
It's nice because you can use it for any season.
It is. And for all of you that have a husband and might know the challenges of hanging something with 2 hang holes and they're not spaced properly for your studs in your walls, you know, I'm getting a little carpentry on you now. But our hang holes are spaced at 16 inches apart. So those will screw right into your studs in your wall. You know, Liz has got this confused look on her face.
No, I know.
No,
exactly what you're
yeah.
talking about.
But no, that's a
That's
Nick.
awesome.
So,
Nick.
we thought about that. So,
Awesome.
Get over to Liz. Keep watching.
You keep watching, stay tuned so you know when Julie's going to be on the live. And what else we got to say? Stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get home tonight. Our flight's already delayed due to weather and back home. I hear it's pretty bad there.
I think I should take her home
I
with
know,
me.
I'll go home and visit. We'll make a trip out to see you sometime. So anyway, so thanks for watching and thank you, Julie, very much for the tour of your booth.
So welcome.
See you soon. Bye.